welcome back. Today we'll be doing a Pipercross panel filter install on my F56 Mini Cooper S. For this job you only need one tool, and that's a Torx T20.
A closer look at the box here, and it's pretty clear that Pipercross say we're going to get a bit more power, and it's quite nice. They've included a Scottish option here as well of mere power. Inside the box you get your oiled filter, comes inside a little plastic bag, so any moisture in there is actually oil, so don't worry about that, and you get a couple of nice Pipercross stickers as well. Before we fit the Pipercross filter, we're going to listen to the stock one first. We're going to put the car on sports mode and it's going to be warm, and we'll listen to the difference between the two notes. So we've got the car in sports mode in second gear, and we're just going to give it a little bit of beans and show you what the factory intake sounds like. So with the test driving done, you could see the turbo flutter noises on the original standard filter. We're now going to fit our new one. First thing is to lift up this little rubber section here and remove this hose, and there are 1, 2 and 3 T20 screws holding on the airbox. This now allows you to open up the airbox and remove your OEM filter. So as you can see here, the OEM filter is actually fairly clean. It must have been done recently during a service. It comes with a man filter, and you can see your nice BMW embossing on that. So this is going to be replaced with our Pipercross. Ooh. So side by side, the main difference between the two is that this man filter is actually a paper filter. You can see the various layers of paper that stop the air going through. This one's actually a polyurethane foam, which is a lot thinner. Actually, Zach, you can hold that one sideways next to this. Perfect. The depth between the two is a massive difference, and obviously that's going to be fairly restrictive over airflow. So we'll get this one in and we'll take it out for another test drive and show you the difference. Before fitting your new filter, now is the perfect time to clean out all of this dirt in here and make sure you've got a lovely clean airbox going forward. With the Pipercross panel filter fitted, you can hear a massive difference in the turbo flutters. We're hearing so much more intake noise, and it's a really cool sounding mod. So this is not only a really cool sounding mod, but also it's an essential part of your maintenance now. One of the stickers you get from Pipercross says that this is a lifetime filter, and that it also doesn't void your vehicle's warranty, which is a nice little touch as well. So I'm not entirely sure if that would be true with other companies' warranty, but it claims that that's the case for BMW anyway.
Right guys, thanks for watching. I'm really happy with this mod. I think it's made a massive difference to the car. Makes massive turbo flutter, which is what everyone really wants. So other than that, thanks for watching everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got any suggestions for future videos, don't forget to comment. See you next time.